Alright, 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Revline89 here, back with an update for the 4.6 Mustang build. And this is always a good sign when you order something. That stuff is rolling around. So let's go ahead and see how horrible of a job this company did with packaging. I don't know, maybe they did a good job, but there's something rolling around that we need to address. So, well, okay, so this is what's rolling around, just a little cap to something, but it looks like the lights are alright, and that's what really matters, so that's good. Alright, we'll let the company go. But we do want to inspect it, make sure there's no cracks or anything. So yeah, these are marker lights, well, turn signal lights, some smoked, of course, and these were supposed to be, okay, so in person you can see it much better, but those were supposed to be smoked as well. And clearly they're not. Well, alright. So if you guys are interested, these are the Spec D lights. They're bumper lights. 2005 to 2009 Mustang. I will try and, let's see, I'll put the link of where you guys can get these for a good, decent price. It's so hard to find good ones, so I hope they work and everything goes good with them. If not, that's a bust. Alright guys, thanks for watching another part update for the 4.6 build. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Revline89. So gearheads, I got an awesome unboxing video for you guys. This is something from Street Speed 717. So, let's get started. If you do not know, I actually grew up in the same area as Street Speed 717, and now we're about, I would say, 35 minutes away from each other's location, but I used to live only about 15-18 minutes from him, but I got married and moved onward. So, shout out to Mike. Oh, this is cool. This is awesome. Check that out. But the coolest part is the blade. So this is actually a gift for my father.